Looking for weather-resistant outdoor seating that blends comfort, style, and durability? In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 Polywood Adirondack chairs this year. Let's begin with the Polywood Modern Adirondack Chair. This chair stands out for its sleek, contemporary design, making it a stylish upgrade from the traditional Adirondack silhouette. It features a contoured seat, a waterfall front for added leg comfort, and a wide backrest that offers excellent support. Made from Polywood's proprietary HDPE lumber, it resists cracking, splintering, and fading, even after years of exposure to sun, salt, or snow. The chair is also extremely low maintenance. A simple soap and water rinse is all it needs to stay looking like new. Users also praise its substantial weight, which means it won't blow away in heavy winds. If you're looking for a modern aesthetic that doesn't compromise on comfort or durability, this is a top-tier choice. Next on the list is the Polywood Classic Folding Adirondack Chair. This chair offers the timeless charm of traditional Adirondack seating with the added benefit of foldability, making it perfect for seasonal storage or smaller patios. Crafted from the same weatherproof HDPE lumber, it requires zero painting or staining and stands up against rain, snow, and sun with ease. The folding feature is smooth and reliable, and the chair opens up to provide a relaxing, reclined posture with wide armrests for added comfort. Assembly is minimal and straightforward, and the sturdy construction can support heavier users comfortably. For those who appreciate the classic look but need flexible storage, this chair delivers both charm and convenience. Third, we have the Polywood Shoreline Adirondack Chair. This chair merges rustic character with modern engineering. It features a contoured seat and a slightly angled backrest that promotes ergonomic posture, allowing for longer periods of comfortable sitting. What sets this chair apart is its realistic wood grain texture, giving it the appearance of natural lumber while offering all the advantages of synthetic HDPE. The corrosion-resistant stainless steel hardware enhances its lifespan, especially in coastal environments. Customers rave about its robust construction, elegant finish, and ease of cleaning. It's an excellent middle ground for buyers who love the look of real wood but want maintenance-free functionality. In the fourth position, we recommend the Polywood VINEYARD Adirondack Chair. This chair is designed with a more rounded, elegant frame that's particularly appealing in traditional or cottage-style outdoor spaces. It features a curved backrest and contoured seat that cradle the body, making it one of the most comfortable in the lineup. Like all Polywood furniture, it's made from recycled materials and offers exceptional weather resistance. Users often mention how well it holds its color, even in direct sun, and how its heavier frame adds to its feeling of security and durability. However, it's worth noting that darker finishes can retain heat more than lighter ones, which is something to consider depending on your local climate. Still, for those who prioritize form and function equally, the VINEYARD model is a great pick. Last but not least is the Polywood NAUTICAL CURVEBACK Adirondack Chair. With its sweeping curved back slats and signature waterfall front edge, this chair combines traditional aesthetics with enhanced ergonomic support. It's particularly well suited for individuals seeking more lower back comfort and better weight distribution. The chair is wider than most standard models, giving users more room to settle in comfortably. Made with Polywood's signature all-weather lumber and backed by a 20-year residential warranty, this chair is a smart investment for long-term use. It's often chosen for lakefront homes, poolside retreats, and mountain lodges due to its rugged build and visual appeal.